Okay, so today I have bought a digital camera, Canon Digital IXUS 200 IS, and this video is about unboxing the camera. I have bought the camera for the camera is retailing for $600 Australian, but I have managed to buy it for $481. So here is the box. Alright, useless paperwork, warranty card, CD with a bunch of software which no one is going to use ever, and a user guide. Getting started guide, USB cable and your TV cable, TV pictures on the television. Now, this does not come with the manual. The manual is in PDF format on the CD or either on the website, which you have to download yourself and read yourself. There is no hard copy. Here we have power cable for the battery charger. Here is the battery charger itself. And here is the battery and a carry strap. So let's get all this stuff out. Before I do that, here is the camera, right here. This is the camera. So let's turn this thing on. And here I bought separately an 8GB SD card. There we go. Okay, we'll set the date and time now. It is 26th of the 11th. 2009 time is 10:30. So 22, 27. And the daylight saving time, which there is none. I prefer this format. Click OK. There we go. So this camera comes with a 3-inch touchscreen, and there was a review on Amazon where one of the people that was reviewing the camera, he didn't like the fact that the the picture portion is quite small. Well, that's because of the resolution. You can change your display settings to display to take pictures in widescreen, which we'll do now. There we go. There we go. Now the pictures will be taken in widescreen now, far bigger. So this camera comes with a 24-inch wide-angle lens. Apparently, you'll take pictures. Pictures will be taken. You will fit in more content in your pictures. Touchscreen. There's touchscreen here. So if I press this in touchscreen, 12.1 megapixels, image stabilizer, and high-definition movies at 720p. And that is all for the unboxing. And depending how many hits I get on this video, I shall do a review maybe of this camera. See what this whole thing is about. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.